Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, and we can see it at the device list. And then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and it can fix some small problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.